Have you ever wondered how to create a bathroom that is luxurious and full of character, no matter what the size? I'm Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and today I'm going to take you inside the bathrooms of this family home. Every detail has been carefully curated to bring in a touch of luxury and charm. From the exquisite tapware to the textured surfaces, it's all about making design choices that elevate the space. The secret to a beautifully designed bathroom is layering textures and choosing materials that are both sophisticated and add depth. We focused on muted, earthy tones and a combination of natural textures to keep the design cohesive, while also giving each room its own unique personality. So this main bathroom is compact, but we made sure it had everything a busy family would need with 3 kids. Without a doubt, the hero statement of this room is the gorgeous soft limed oak Izzy Cloud by Zuster Vanity. We teamed it with this brushed platinum gold Sussex Scala tapware, which adds a touch of luxury to this bathroom. So we played with a little bit of contrast here, and you can see how detailed and veiny. It's quite the statement, the stone. So the tile that we chose, we wanted it to complement that stone and not be fighting with each other. That goes for the vanity as well. Now in the ensuite, we had a little bit more fun because it's open to the main bedroom. The bedroom is soft and creamy, so we added some depth to the bathroom design. We stuck with the brushed platinum gold Sussex Scala tapware. It's sophisticated and timeless, and paired it with beige tiles for a subtle contrast. The custom vanity needed basins that were both functional and classic, which is why we chose the En Vivo Villa basins in Whitehaven. They're made from this gorgeous solid surface material, so they're not shiny and have a lovely organic feel. And lastly, the powder room. Powder rooms are great because you can have a little bit of fun in them. And in this space, we chose the sculptural En Vivo pedestal basin. It's like a piece of art. We've actually used a bath spout here for the tap. It's in the same gold finish as the other bathrooms for consistency. The camel hide colour on the walls and tiles adds warmth and texture, which helps create that rich, cozy vibe. So whether you're designing a compact family bathroom or a quirky powder room, it's all about finding the right mix of materials and high quality products. So jump online or head into your local Reece showroom to explore their range.